is a big topic.
Maria, I know that I'm getting old, and I will not be here when this happens. But my heart goes to the young generation and my grandchildren. How long would they survive? Where would they be in the future?
Our future is actually it's written. It's written on the wall that the sea level will rise and it will affect our islands.
We believe that climate change is a big topic, and I don't believe that immediate solutions can be reached, but it is important that consultations are ongoing, that we continue to meet and discuss with one another and see how we can mitigate the impacts of climate change, perhaps encourage the developed countries to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions and take other steps that will help alleviate the impact of climate change.